Hey everybody, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to have some booming market problems. So we have that 7% decrease in the last 24 hours, which isn't really great for any of our coins, unfortunately. However, it is going to balance it out and stabilize at some point, and then we will have that increase, and hopefully that increase to the mountain is a little bit higher than the previous, and we will actually make good money from this. But these could just be good buy-in numbers. So if you're looking to get into crypto right now, might not be a bad time. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I will never give you financial advice. Just do your own research. You always should do your own research before buying any coin. But with the market down 7%, everybody's kind of getting a sale right now. So let's go over to Chiliz, because Chiliz is actually one of those coins that is not having any problems. If we look here, it's at an 8.19% increase in the last 24 hours. And obviously, we're going to see a small, we went from 73 cents down to that 66 cents. So it's still, struggling in the last 24 hours. It's just not because of this 60 cent it was at before this huge spike. And then obviously the downward spiral down to that 64 cents right now. So let's go over to the month span. Before we do a price prediction, I'm going to give you guys some numbers, and we're going to check out what Chiliz is all about. The market cap in the last, I guess the market cap's 3.6 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours, though, is sitting at 4.3 billion, and then the circulating supply is at 5.5 CHZ. Chiliz is one of those that has a long-term potential because this coin is doing something very, very unique. But if we look at the week, let's look at the price chart first. We see that it kept spiking. People really believed in this coin. It was just a little bit too much all at one time. Obviously, when you go from something like 26 cents to 89 cents, definitely so quick, we're going to see some pullback. And we saw that 89 cents all the way down to 64 now. But we saw stabilization around that 60 cent mark. And then we saw another increase, and hopefully it stabilizes above that 63, 64 cent mark. That would be awesome. We're going to see Chiliz continue to increase, I believe. With a coin so special, I think we have a long-term potential with this one. But I'm going to I don't have the Chiliz website pulled up, so I am going to have to type that in here real quick. And we'll go over to Chiliz and do some research on what Chiliz really is. We did do a video on this previously, and it went pretty well. A lot of people like Chiliz, and a lot of people gained money from that video. So let's see if we can get some more people to look into Chiliz and see if they want to invest in themselves. So the first question is, what is Chiliz? Chiliz is a currency option for blockchain-backed products and services geared towards mainstream consumers. We want to elevate everyday experiences fan engagement, and entertainment, alternative payment solutions for conventional products, and more. Chiliz provides sports and entertainment entities with blockchain and based tools to help them engage and monetize their audiences. They have official partners already, and if you look through, they're just kind of scrolling through. If you know any of these teams, you're going to know that it's a pretty big deal already, and it has a lot of potential. So CHZ, the rocket fuel for Socius.com. If you go to Socius.com, you're going to... Let's just go to Socius.com and see if you guys can really get a feel for what Chiliz is trying to offer. So get fan tokens, vote on exclusive team surveys, and be rewarded. And these are the teams that they currently are partnered with, I believe. Reap the rewards. So there's a bunch of things to look at here, but we'll just go over the top and the title here. So you can buy and sell freely, which are the fan tokens. Open marketplace, where you can your fan tokens can be moved freely between crypto wallets on any participating fan token exchange platform, including to and from your internal crypto wallet on Socius. You can get fan tokens, buy and sell, like I said, the open marketplace, reap the rewards, and find your voice. Security is at the heart of the app. Blockchain technology, data privacy, and verified payment providers. So it is teamed up with the biggest clubs some of the biggest clubs in the world. And you can see that here. They have fan token supply for each one. This is definitely a very big future possibility. I think Chiliz is one of those coins that has the potential to be absolutely massive. It's kind of doing its own thing. It's kind of doing something special. I kind of see it as another Theta coin. It's definitely different. But some reason in my mind, Theta and Chiliz are both going very, very, very high. I think Theta is one of those that I believe in a very, very long term. I think Chiliz has the potential to be long term. I think right now it looks like it's going to be a long term, as long as they continue to upgrade and update their projects and continue to give us feedback and news on how it's going. And maybe a roadmap would be nice. If they have a roadmap, let me know in the link, or link it in the or in the comments. I would love to see a roadmap for Chiliz. I don't know if I could. I didn't really look for one there, but the roadmap would definitely help us see where they're at, what they've done recently. Obviously, you can do that research. I did find out what they've done recently is pretty fantastic. Where I see Chiliz definitely reaching $1 by the end of March. I think it could reach $1.50 to $2 by the end of April, but because of the stimulus, I'm going to reach and say it's going to reach that $2 mark by the end of April. And then by the end of the year, I could definitely see Chiliz being a $5 to $10 price point. I think we got to be realistic. Unfortunately, I would love to say, Chiliz has a chance at that 20x. It could, I could see it being $20, but I really can see it being $20, but I'm going to be realistic and say that I think Chiliz reaches that $5 to $10 price point. And anywhere in between there is going to be dependent on the projects they are now at work on. Chiliz definitely has potential, though, like I said. So let me know in the comments if you guys agree with me. Chiliz could be that $5 to $10 mark by the end of the year, or you guys think it's going to go much higher. I'm sure we have a lot of fanatics out there that think Chiliz is, going to that $100 mark. Just let me know in the comments if you guys have any more coins you want me to take a look at. You guys always do a great job at that. Give me a lot of recommendations. I try to look at many as I can. Obviously, there are, thousands and thousands of coins, so it's going to be impossible to get them all, but I will always try to get the ones that are commented the most and, most upvoted, or, whatever I end up finding out and looking into, and I think I believe in that coin. That's usually when I'll do a video. If I don't believe in the coin, I'm not going to do a video most likely about a coin that I believe is going to decrease tremendously in the next month or two. I just don't see a point in doing a video. It's not as fun. It's more fun finding the coins that we truly believe in and believe will go up. So I will continue to do that. I will continue to find those coins that I think have a future, and a long-term future at that. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you can get notified when we have new videos, so that you are not last to see the great information that could continue to make us some money. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.